Welcome back, YouTube. So, a pretty green day today. Going over the numbers with BTC and charting the top 10. I'll scroll down here so you can see it. On the day, pretty much everything is green besides Tether, at least in the top 10, top 15, really. So, obviously the market kind of trend with Bitcoin, and Bitcoin hit a very pivotal point, which was getting over that 22,700 roughly mark, and it's roughly resting at 23,064. So what I'm expecting in the short term time frame here is we should see some of these other coins start to break above their resistance levels, because it was kind of like literally walking the line over the last few days, and we should have hit it roughly yesterday actually, and we got some slight rejections or just didn't have enough momentum to get over the hurdle, and Bitcoin kind of came over that today. So we'll see. So we should see some moves here if Bitcoin is able to hold over that 22 mark, because it's not a significant break, but it did close above it, so we can't invalidate it just yet. So we have Ethereum 3.5% on the day, Tether down 0.1, BNB 1.3% up, USD 0.1, XRP 0.8, Binance USD 0.1, Cardano 5.6, and Doge 1.8 at 9%, and Solana at 4.9 at the number 10 spot. So, and typically this is where I focus mostly is on the top 10. This is where the strength is going to be. Obviously, I have holdings Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and Doge. So it's typically where most of my attention goes. But per capita, per institutional investment, where I have to pay very strict attention to Bitcoin's movement. So let's go over and take a look here at the charts. This is what I meant for Bitcoin kind of going over that pivotal point. You're going to see that we needed 22,781, and we're sitting roughly, we barely got over the hump, but we're a few $100 over, so we're going to count it, 23,051. So if we're able to hold this, we should see some movements from some of these other coins. Ethereum is right here testing at 1674. So we've come relatively close, but we're at 1609 now. So we should see a good move. If Bitcoin is able to hold this number, we should see Ethereum move up and test this 1674. We see Doge is right here, literally on the line for us to kind of come up and break above and invalidate this trend. The number we need for Doge is going to be 948, but we're right on the cusp of this trend here, literally walking the line here. So we're right there to break above it. This is a very pivotal moment for crypto right now. Let's take a look here at Cardano. Cardano is at 379. Yeah, so we're in the middle of gap up territory right here for Cardano. So same thing. This is what I meant by this is such a pivotal moment, because this here can fill, and then we can come up here and challenge this 44 cent. So right here, this gap is, we can easily fill this here and start and it'll put it into perspective for us to challenge this 44 cent here. So all Bitcoin has on the next, I guess, 24 hours or so, we're going to be on the edge of our seats here to see if we're going to get this fill to the upside, or if we're going to have a consolidation. So this is going to be a really big 24, 48 hours on time frames, because we did hit the numbers and all the other coins are right there. So this is going to be certainly a very interesting 48 hours in the short-term time frame here. So for those of you who already have your positions locked in, or you're looking to swing or take profit and stuff like that, I know you guys are on the edge of your seats. So just kind of hang tight as we close out these candles and see where we end up over the next day or so. Volume is looking good. We haven't come into, I'm gonna go back to BTC here. We haven't come into any like crazy shorting or anything. Oh wait, that's not shorts. Shorts are still non-existent. So we're getting pretty close to organic price movements here. So Yeah, so we're going to have to kind of wait over the next 24, 48 hours and see how these candlesticks close out and see if we're going to start that ascend to the next pivot point or if we're going to have some consolidation or break back down. So, because it's not a strong move up, but I'll be more convinced if we get a stronger candle and to the upside here. I'll certainly be more convinced on the trend. But again, that'll reveal itself within the next day or so, and then we'll be able to make better judgments. So that is your short-term update for crypto, and literally most of the top 10, at least the ones that I like. So like, share, subscribe to the channel if you want to hear more from me. And don't forget, check out Moomoo, where you can get up to 15 free stocks if you open a new account with them. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.